Hi guys, welcome back to How to Use Mac. Today I will teach you how to set the general, and it's part 1 since there are a lot of parts in general. So first and foremost, like always, go to System Preference right around here, up here if you want it. And second, of course, you must press the first one because it's general. And you can set the appearance. You can be in light, then you're gone white, or dark, you're gone dark, and auto when during the day you're gone white, and during the night you're gone black. I love it dark. The second is the accent color. Accent color is about what's the main color you want for this computer. Like I like it blue, so I set it blue. I like it pink, I let it pink. Or even I like granite, but I want it green. And this is the highlight color. I love this. When you're choosing green for your accent color, you usually go green, but you can set it. Do you know? Press here, and there are some color. Here's the other color. Then you can choose your color here and choose a purple. Make it like this, then go like this. But I like it blue because blue is a color for a normal Mac. And next, this is side icon size. When you make it large, I don't really sure what this use, but I know that will make something bigger or even smaller. Let me see. Okay, wait for a while. I'm not sure why it does, but I will check it. You can check it out by yourself. And next, you can make it automatic. And this is the menu bar. You can make it automatically, or even like this, like your dog. Make it like this, or you want it to stay up there, and just do this. Okay, so I'm done for part 1. This is the part 1. So this is the part 1. And this is part 2. Part 2. And this is part 3, also the last part. And thanks for watching. I hope please like and subscribe.